morning, children. In today's class, we are going to continue the learning of the lesson Atomic Structure. In today's class, we are going to learn two important topics. They are Discovery of Neutrons by James Chadwick and Characteristics of Fundamental Particles. Okay, children. The important topics we are going to learn today are Discovery of Neutrons by the scientist James Chadwick, and also we are going to learn the characteristics like mass and charge of the fundamental particles present in an atom. What are the fundamental particles present in an atom? Electrons, protons and neutrons are the fundamental particles which are present in an atom. Electrons, protons and neutrons are not only called as fundamental particles but also they are called as subatomic particles because these particles are present inside the atom and so they are called as subatomic particles. Electrons were the very first subatomic particles to be discovered by the scientist J.J. Thomson. He is the very famous scientist James Chadwick who is credited with the discovery of neutrons. He is credited with the discovery of neutrons. Here is his experiment, James Chadwick's experiment. Here there is a source for positively charged alpha particles. Alpha particles are produced by radioactive elements like polonium and radium. So polonium and radium, they act as a source for alpha particles. These alpha particles, when they were allowed to bombard on beryllium, they produced a new particle having the mass similar to that of protons with no charge. And those new particles were discovered by James Chadwick as neutrons. Okay, children. So here the source for alpha particles, the source for positively charged alpha particles are radium and polonium. These elements, they are radioactive and they produce high energy radiation like alpha particles. These highly energized alpha particles, when they were allowed to fall on beryllium with heavy force, when they were allowed to bombard on beryllium, they produced alpha particles. After bombarding on beryllium, they produced a new particle with no charge having the mass similar to that of protons, and they were named as neutrons by James Chadwick because they did not possess any charge, so they were named as neutrons by James Chadwick. What are nucleons? Protons and neutrons are collectively called as nucleons. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus of an atom. Protons carry positive charge, whereas neutrons carry no charge. So, the overall charge of a nucleus in an atom is positive. Since protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus of an atom, they are called as nucleons. They are called as nucleons. So what is the location of neutron in an atom? Neutron is present inside the nucleus of an atom and it is one of the nucleons. What is the other nucleon? Proton is the other nucleon. Okay, children? I hope you might have understood this. So this diagram helps you understand what is nucleus and what is the location of electrons in an atom. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits, in fixed circular orbits called shells or energy levels. Electrons carry negative charge. Okay. Here, some properties of neutrons are underlined. When we compare the masses of protons, neutrons and electrons, electrons have very small mass, very negligible mass when compared to the masses of protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons have almost the same mass. The mass possessed by protons and neutrons is 1 atomic mass unit, 1 AMU. Unified atomic mass. We can call it as unified atomic mass or atomic mass unit. Whereas the mass of electrons is negligible. So protons and neutrons are large in size when compared to electrons. The charge possessed by a neutron is neutral, no charge, it doesn't carry any charge, whereas the protons carry a positive charge and the electrons carry a negative charge. Okay children, so these are the properties of protons, neutrons and electrons. Subatomic particles. The 3 subatomic particles are electrons, protons and neutrons. The mass of a proton is 1 unit. 1 unit means it is 1 atomic mass unit, 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit, and the charge carried by a proton is positive. A neutron has got a mass of 1 unit, 1 atomic mass unit, and it doesn't possess any charge. It is neutral. It is not deflected by magnetic field or electric field. A neutron is not deflected by magnetic field or electric field. It is neutral and its mass is 1 atomic mass unit. Electron has got almost negligible mass when compared to protons and neutrons having negative charge. So the charge possessed by electrons is negative. Now we are going to learn the characteristics of the fundamental particles, protons, neutrons and electrons. The mass of electron is 9.108 into 10 power minus 28 gram. Okay, it is very negligible when compared to the masses of protons and neutrons. The mass of proton and neutron is the same, 1.672 into 10 power minus 24. Minus 24 gram. All these masses are expressed in grams. Now come to the next tabular column, that is charge. The charge possessed by an electron is minus 1. It is negative. Proton is plus 1. So electron and proton, they carry equal and opposite charges. Equal and opposite charges. Electron minus 1, proton plus 1. So they possess 1. The charge is 1. So the charge is equal, but it is opposite in sign. For electron it is minus 1. For proton it is plus 1. So electron and proton, they possess opposite, equal and opposite charges. Whereas neutron is neutral. It doesn't carry any charge. The charge in terms of Coulomb is, in electron, it is found to be minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19. For proton, it is plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19. Okay. Coming to the location of these fundamental particles in an atom, electron is present in the stationary circular paths called orbits around the nucleus of an atom. So electrons revolve around the nucleus of an atom in circular fixed orbits called shells, KLMN shells. Protons and neutrons, they are collectively called as nucleons, and they are present inside the nucleus of an atom. Coming to the last column, the masses of the subatomic particles in relative to hydrogen atom, electron 1 by 1837. The mass is very negligible, very small. Proton and neutron, they have the similar mass 1. Okay children? So the atomic mass of proton and neutron is same, it is 1. So in this class we have learnt the discovery of neutrons by the famous scientist James Chadwick and the characteristics of fundamental particles. I hope you might have understood today's class children. Thank you children.